silence. Can you hear something in the space? Is there anything beyond the noise of life? What power? What magic? What is behind the visible? How long should I wait to meet the miracle? My life needs refreshment. My soul needs love. With the presence of Lord, I can build a new world. A place of possibility, growth and support, where selfishness loses its power and humbleness enters the scene. Wait a second. The storm of challenge is coming my way. Is there any escape route? God, help me. I get no answer and lose all hope, and suddenly get the strength to fight it alone. With no answer, I get an answer. God is working in you, me, and everything. Stress gets closer. Life feels harder. I keep asking, where is God? Here I look, there I go, but I never find any proof of you. Does that mean there is no you? Then I find peace in the room of silence. All stress begins to pause for a moment. It feels like someone pressed the freeze button. In the here and now, I sense you in me, and me in you. God, I know you are closer than my imagination. Problems start meeting solutions. Pain turns to relaxation. I start sensing the power in me, the power to choose, the power to be free. Despite the challenges, despite the doubts, I keep walking the road to improvement. Without saying a word, I start speaking the language of wisdom. Understanding gets better, clarity gets stronger. The light of life shines bright on me. Even without getting you, I start getting everything. What's the magic? What's the power? Wherever I go, whatever I do, I get the feeling of God's support within. The message is clear. The realization is real. Every piece of creation has a godly feel. No more seeking now. I got the proof. Your power is moving every piece of roof. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Here is a self-improvement playlist you can watch in your free time, link in the iCard. Share this episode with your friends for a peaceful listening experience and let life shine bright. Thank you.